Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering precise ingredients. Use 2 kg ripe tomatoes, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, and 4 garlic cloves. Core and score tomatoes, blanch them for 1 minute, then shock in ice water. The skins slip off cleanly. Reserve 200 ml of tomato water from the blanching for adjusting final sauce consistency. Peel and roughly chop tomatoes, mince garlic, and measure 30 g fresh basil leaves and 1 medium onion finely diced. Mise-en place speeds cooking and keeps texture consistent. Heat a wide saucepan and sauté 1 medium diced onion in 2 tablespoon oil until translucent, about 6 minutes over medium heat. Add minced garlic for the last 90 seconds. Add the chopped tomatoes and 200 ml reserved tomato water, bring to a boil, then reduce to a steady simmer. Simmer uncovered for 40 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and to concentrate flavors. For that market-smooth texture, pass the cooked mixture through a coarse food mill or use an immersion blender briefly. Then return to the pan for flavor adjustment. Finish by stirring in 30 g torn basil leaves and 15 g butter to emulsify the sauce. Add 1 tsp salt and 1 tsp sugar, then simmer gently for 5 minutes. Taste and adjust acidity with a squeeze of lemon or a dash of red wine vinegar, and tune viscosity by adding up to 100 ml more reserved tomato water for a spreadable sauce or reducing 10 more minutes for thicker consistency. Cool to 50 degrees C before jarring. Refrigerate up to 7 days or freeze in 250 ml portions for up to 3 months to preserve market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.